I'm John Angkaw. I'm an instructor at the School of Continuing Studies at York University. I'm the Senior Director of Toronto Community Housing, and prior to that, I was the National Risk Management Leader at Marsh Canada in the public sector practice. So when I take a look back on why I got into teaching, it was really about passing on the knowledge and skills that I've been able to acquire to the next generation of risk professionals. In risk assessment and treatment, we cover a lot of information as it relates to how to effectively assess the risks facing the organization. We also cover an extensive amount of techniques, and these span from avoidance, mitigation, transfer. I would say that risk management stands out in a few ways. You've got industry professionals that are involved in educating these students, so they're able to take theory and apply it to practice. The curriculum as well provides, I believe, a good foundation to students entering the workforce, or those who are looking to advance their skills. And last but not least, the program is structured in a way that it is flexible and caters to the schedules of many of our students. The one piece of advice that I would give to someone considering this program is that it is a solid program that will give you the foundational skills to either break into the field or help you advance in the field. You will have the opportunity to work with your instructors and your peers, and increasing that network will go a long way as well. I welcome the students who are interested to enroll in the program, but also do acknowledge the incoming students who will be enrolling in the program, and I do look forward to working with you in the class.